So today we're gonna see this water tester, which tests the TDS and the EC. Let's see the battery. The battery is contained inside, and it's a CR2032, so pretty common battery. And here we have the probes, two probes. Let's turn on the device, which you can change by pressing the shift button, the mode, the Celsius or Fahrenheit. And you have the other button, the hold button, so you can hold the measurement, which is written right here. So let's test it out. Here we have three different samples of water. So we have tap water, filter water, and the bottled water. Alright, so let's taste the TSD of these waters. Here we have the measurement and the temperature. Alright, so here we have 275. Here we have 204. Alright, and the bottled water, it's 90. Let's measure the EC, so we press the shift button, and here it's written EC, 535. Here it's 406. And here we have 34. So that was the test.